All right, third grade, it is time for you guys to start your assignment. Remember, the goal of today's assignment is for me to learn what text features are you using and what are you learning from those text features when you read nonfiction. Today, your assignment's on classwork, reading, facts from text features, and you'll click right here. Then you'll be brought to this screen. I've already filled mine out, so just follow along as I explain it. My name is John, so I wrote John. The magazine article I read was China. I just read a different one so that I didn't take away any of your guys' ideas you wanted to write about origami or jump roping or hopscotch. Here's my magazine article I read. It's online actually. It had photographs, it had headings for me, it had this fast fact or text box feature, it had maps, more photographs with captions, and a lot of headings. So because of that, those are the things I'm going to write about because those are the parts of the magazine I used. My magazine article was China. I only read one, so I wrote it down all 3 times. You could use all features from Hopscotch if you want to. If you want to use different articles, you sure can. Any of those 3. The text feature I used in what I learned. A photograph showed me what the dragons of the parades look like. They wave the dragons for good luck. It's exactly what this photo right here taught me, and the caption right down there. I know the capital city of China is Beijing because I read a map. In my article, there was a map down here for me, and China, Beijing, we learned in social studies that if there's a star with a circle, that means it's capital of a country. And the last thing I learned, when I read the heading Nature, I knew I would learn all about nature in China. I found out that the giant panda lives there and nowhere else in the world. And right down here is my heading Nature. And here's that fact I learned. The giant panda lives in the misty mountains of southwest China and nowhere else on Earth. So I wrote down my facts. They're specific, they're clear, they teach me something new. Today when you do your assignment, remember you can use any of the articles. You could use all 3 of the articles, but the 3 features you write about must be different, like photograph, map, and heading. If you don't remember what the features are called or how to spell them, remember they are up on the front chart for you, or you do have a chart for yourself in your journal. When you have this all filled out, you'll just exit out of it and then it saves it for me and I will check it next week. Go ahead and if you guys are ready and you don't have any questions and your sub agrees, you can go ahead and get started.